Hey Shooby Doodlers, Happy New Year! This is what we're going to draw. You will need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it! If we start in the midline there, then I think you can put the 0 right on that middle line. And I'm making it just at a slight angle like that. And then we're going to want the 2 at an angle. So kind of very, very gently. Don't press hard because we want to erase this. Draw that there just to give you the angle that we're going for, and we're going to want a kind of a curve around the top, and then that's going to come straight down to there and then straight across, and then we want another one over here which is going to be about like that, and let's do that at an angle there, so this can come straight down across to there. I think in fact I'm going to bring this angle a bit more like that, so that we can erase that bottom line bit there and have it about that size. 2021, and I'm going to put the 1 kind of like that with a little blip on it. And the secret here is to step away from the center line and then start drawing all the way around it, keeping equidistant from that center line, which is easier to say than to do. So let's bring that all the way around like that. So there's the 2, and then here I'm going to do the next 2 first actually, so that we can have the 0 behind it. It makes it more 3D. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to come around like that, down to the bottom, we'll flick around there and around like that. Stop and have a pause. And then we can come all the way around like that and trying to keep it all equal. So here we want to step away that distance again, and then similarly around there like that, and then we want that same thickness that the 2 is going to be like that and around like that, and then we want to bring the 1 up around like that and around like that. If you like this video, why not join me on Patreon for images, help sheets, advice, a whole lot more, and learn how to paint this video in watercolour. Put a little knot at the bottom of each one, and then that little bit of bit that sticks out from the knot, the bit that you blow into, and then you can put some little strings coming off them too. Now we're going to draw a kind of a sausage with one side of it on the central line, and then we'll put a little circle there, and then we're going to draw a kind of a sausage along there as well. There's going to be a sausage along there with a little circle. Let's put that circle about there, and then the other sausage curving around with one side on the central line. Nothing to do with the London Underground, and we'll put one there, and we'll put a kind of a sausage there too. And we can add an extra bit of 3 dimension just to kind of flick that around there, flick that around there, and then we'll have that there as well, maybe a bit in there. Or we're going to want a little bit of a sausage in here too, I forgot about that. So we can draw some like that, and down there like that. Do the same thing here, that's going to go up and around there, and around there, maybe a bit in there. That's going to come around there like that. So I'm just going to move that up there a little bit, and then we want to draw Happy New Year. I'm going to draw this in quite fast cursive handwriting, so afterwards I'll show it again slowed down so you can stop and start and replay at any time. So I'm going to go up, happy, up, down, new, where that is sort of going up to there. I want to kind of follow that around to there like that. And then we're going to have year, and then a strange R like that. And maybe an exclamation mark and a bit of a wiggle like that. So let's do this again really slowly. Up and down, around, up and back down, and up into the A, around, up to P, down, up again to the P, around, like that, and then whoosh it down to the tail of the Y, down to the bottom, top, bottom, up, to make that capital N. Go around the E and back on itself, up to the top of the W, round, round, and whoosh. We're going to go carefully around in a circle like that, down, around, and up, down, and whoosh up to where the E will join that line, and back on itself. And then we want an A and a wiggly R that goes up and around and back down like that. And then we'll just do an exclamation mark as well. And don't forget that funny wiggly line underneath. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can then erase those pencil lines. Then all you need to do is colour it in, and there you go. Happy New Year 2021. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner Drawing channel, and why not come and join me on Patreon and see how it gets painted. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.